In this video, we will show you how to install your new CuttinEdge CELShield Ultra Thin Full Screen Protection Film. When you open the packaging, you'll find your illustrated application instruction manual, user warranty, application squeegee, cleaning sticker tool, microfiber dust cloth in a protective casing, and your new ultra thin full screen protection film. For this installation, we will be using an iPhone 6. To begin, remove and unfold the microfiber dust cloth. Wipe down the screen to remove any unwanted dust, fingerprints, oils, and smudges before installation of the film. If any dust, lint, hair, or other particles remain after using the dust cloth, peel off one half of the cleaning sticker tool. By applying and removing the exposed adhesive side of the tool, any remaining particles will be stuck and removed from the phone. This can be repeated as necessary. You are now ready to install your protective film. Carefully remove the side labeled 1 while holding the film tabs. While still holding the tabs, face the exposed adhesive side of the film down and align with the phone. When the film is aligned, using the front camera, speaker, and home button as a guide, carefully allow the top of the film to rest on the phone as you get the squeegee ready. While still holding the bottom tab, squeegee the top of the film to provide an anchor for the next step. In one firm and smooth motion, run the squeegee down the film, making sure to keep a flat edge against the film to minimize air bubbles. If bubbles appear, simply squeegee them to the sides of the film. Any remaining air bubbles will disperse in about 48 hours. Finally, remove the top protective liner and hold tabs. Using your fingers, smooth the edges of the film and make sure they have adhered to the phone securely. And there you have it, how to install your new CuttinEdge CELShield